doing a full-scale test of the WRC Fiesta. This facility has a rolling road. You have a 1mm steel belt which can turn at up to 178 miles per hour. The big thing about that is you're getting the rotating tire effect, which is so important for a low ground clearance race car. This is not like circuit racing where you have the same reference points and the drivers don't have the same benchmark from one lap to another. This is out there in the middle of the forest or on a jump or in the snow. It's racing across a wide range of conditions and everything is so varied. The conditions that we're testing are so much more than we would do on a normal race car. It's an exciting challenge.